He said, Rob, the fact that this happened in the way that it did here lets me know that we are on mission. We're doing the right thing in the right place at the right time. And it just sent chills down my spine to go, let's go.
Front glass was busted open. Fire or smoke alarms were still going off. Lots of busted glass.
Literally looked like a bomb had gone off. And then subsequently looking at the security cameras, you actually got to see when the bomb came in.
The fire seemed to be pretty limited, pretty contained to the front lobby. And so my initial reaction was, this isn't too bad.
Mm-hmm.
And but almost immediately began to realize just how bad it was.
I felt a lot of responsibility at first until Rob and the team showed up. And I'm like, oh, we can just worry about us. We don't have to worry about our facility. These people care more about our facility than what we do.
We all have experienced that together, where you walk in and we can be the lighthouse in the storm. We can be a voice of calm and reassuring. And so it makes us feel good when we're able to go in there and be the hero.
The team at SERVPRO show up just an hour later with Rob Dixon and Matt and the crew just coming in, and then just container after container and fan after fan and towel after towel. All this stuff starts coming in, and you feel in your moment of fear and vulnerability, you feel seen and cared for.
I wanted to make sure that we did everything that we could, got as many people in the building as we could, so that they didn't miss a service.
To be able to have service that Sunday, it was bring your own chair day, but it was such a powerful moment.
Some even showed up on that first Sunday morning.
Yeah.
And sat right here where we are. And we acknowledge them, and they're crying.
Yeah.
The team members are in the service as we acknowledge them, thanking them, and they're crying just as they feel the honor and the kind of fatigue, because they had pushed so hard to get us in this room. Like, They own that burden. Like,
Right.
We will have them in this room this Sunday, which was phenomenal.
It's hard to say that you're excited about something like this without it sounding kind of weird. But it was exciting for me. It was an opportunity to do something that I felt like was really important.
Yeah, SERVPRO came in and they restored our facility, but in how they did it, not just what they do, but how they do what they do. They restored us in a way.
And at SERVPRO, we always seem to find people when they're at their worst with their homes, their residents, and their businesses. But this was something where you actually you got to reach a community when we came in here, and I knew that we were doing good work for good people, and it makes you feel really good when you do that.
I mean, hands and feet of like angels, just ministering to us, the team, from the most important on the team to the newest employee on the team. They all handled themselves with such warmth and care and intentionality to see us and not just the mess.
I feel like I helped out a community. I was able to accomplish something that was definitely well worth the effort and the time and all the relationships built up with it.
To say, we start from a demo place to a place where everyone is going to gather, be together, and surpass whatever issue happened in the past. So it makes me feel good. It makes me feel complete.
I'm not sure if pride is enough because a lot of people did a lot of hard work. A lot of people worked overtime, did whatever it took to get them open, because that was our goal. And that's one of the best goals that we've met since I've been here at SERVPRO.
Basically a story of redemption and restoration, coming from an attack on your place of worship to seeing what something that was meant for evil, God was able to take and use for good, and we got to be a part of that.
somehow in the burning of our building, it got cleaner and better than ever before.
Like these floors have never been this
No.
clean. Yeah.
Yeah.